Alright, welcome back to Monners. This is episode 2 on the shed build. So as you can see, I'm in the Komatsu and we're digging out some more rock. Like literally all this land is made of huge boulders of rock. We have our ripper over there and the chiseler. That thing, bloody hell, that thing's powerful. It really goes through it. It's a bit worn out though. You can hear it from miles. So I'm just waiting for my brother to fill up. Then I'll be tipping it down there. I don't know if I can multitask with tipping it. I'll see what I can do. So yeah, this is a Komatsu we're renting. I showed a clip of it in the last episode. Yeah. I'll get back to you. I'll add some clips in of my brother loading, like filling up the trailer, and I'll get back to you when I start tipping it. Okay, I'm about to dump this. Try and multitask. This probably isn't going to end very well. And reverse. Camera. Pop it in neutral, yeah, drive, whatever. Brakes on the, well, foot's on the brake, and we hold it back. So it's all the way back. Right, forward slightly. And pushing forward. And that's that. Back for another load. Here we are for another load. So this Komatsu can do about 30 miles per hour. I haven't taken it to 30, but that's apparently what it does. Yeah. I'll be uploading more videos. probably do one more excavating the rock, one or two more, and then we'll start with foundations in the shed. So what we're going to do, you know this green one, we're going to build another one of them where those bales are, so just move it over one. So we're moving out like over 1,000 tons of rock, and this up here is just a yard. So eventually we'll be building another shed here at some point, not yet. We might as well do it now because we've got the machinery here. So yeah, I'll climb back in. There we are, into the cockpit. Yeah, and I'll add some more clips as we go along, and see you shortly. Alright, that's it for today. We've moved quite a bit this week. Yeah, quite impressed with how I dumped that pipe off. We'll be pulling that out tomorrow probably. So yeah, if I walk around where I've been tipping it. Not used to this warm weather. We've just been chucking it off the edge, making our yard bigger. Yep. Ideally we'd want to bulldoze it, but there's not really much point now. We'll probably get one at a later date. We're going as far as the electric fence. Yep, okay. Not much else to say really. This will probably take us another week or two, and then we'll be digging out for the foundations and pouring the concrete. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.